Hello, we're going to be doing a drawing video today. So, I'm going to be drawing a hummingbird. And if you want to see how I draw the hummingbird, you need to watch carefully. So you need to do a big, round lump like that. And then you need to do a long beak, like that. That's how it should look. And then, just saying, go to the left. And then I'll go. Then you need to go like that. Then you go. What are you drawing, Ava? Hummingbird. This is my YouTube video. Then you go like that. Then you go straight down. Can you help me draw a hummingbird, Ava? Then you go like that. How to draw the hummingbird? You separate and go. So I'll show you in a minute, Oscar. Then you do that. That's how it should look right now. There we go, that's how it should look. And then we need another leg here. That's how it should look. And then for the last, the eye. There we go. There we go, that's how your hummingbird should look. Ta-da!